Stoemp. Potato, carrot, and bacon casserole. A side dish from Belgium. You will
Serves
need 9
4
ingredients. Step 1. Clean the carrots and slice them into thin rounds. Melt the butter in a large pan and fry the onion until it is golden. Add carrots, thyme, parsley, and salt and pepper to taste. Add water to cover the
Step 2.
vegetables and let simmer
Cook the
for 40
potatoes in
minutes.
salted
water for 20 minutes. Cut the bacon in small pieces and fry them slowly. When everything is ready, mix the vegetables with the potatoes and the bacon. Add some milk and pass through a
Step
vegetable
3.
shredder. Serve very
Season
warm
with
with
pepper
baked
and salt.
sausages and mustard. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.